Still, student, your profile picture is not there. Why you have not put your profile picture? Varun has put, Ishan has put. Others, all students have to put. It's compulsory. Every student have to put their profile pic. Now, next class, I will remove you if your profile pic is not there. I'll wait for 2 more minutes. Let others to join. Good morning. We'll put your profile put next time. Yeah. I will start. See, last class we did a sum related to tan. So one more exercise 3.1 we have to finish. It's on page 39, part 1 textbook. Page 39, part 1 textbook, exercise 3.1. So we'll continue. Last class we did sum number 9 and 10. Now I am doing sum number 12. You all know how to give a star. 10, 10 degree, 10 plus 10, 35 plus 10, 10 degree, 10, 35 equal to 1. Now looking at the angles, you can make out 35 plus 10 is 45. So tan 45 is 1. So that is the reason यहाँ पे 1 है. So how you are going to give start? Start solving. So you will start with 1 equal to, you start, 1 is nothing but tan 45. So tan 45 you can split it as tan 35 plus 10 degree. See, these are proof. You should know how to write. For 2 or 3 marks, 3 marks sum, this is the way all steps has to be written. 1 minus tan 35 into 10. This is 1. Now cross multiply and you will get your answer. Chalo, complete it. Complete the sum. And next class, all of you has to put a profile pic. When done, please write in the chat that you are done so we can go to sum number 14. Right now we are doing sum number 12. So complete sum number 12 solution. Okay, done. Fine. Now look at the 14 sum. Sum number 14. Cos 15. See this, it's up to you. You can do both the ways which you prefer. I'll do both. See, LHS if you take. This is very important. Like we will use this in as and when even in class 12. जब भी cos sign है and you want something number या tan में चाहिए, you have to divide each term by cos 15. So this will be 1 minus tan 15 upon 1 plus tan 15. What I did, dividing, you show that step, I'm not showing, dividing by cos 15. या खाली ऐसे लिख दोगे तो भी चलेगा. Each term by cos 15. Cos 15 upon cos 15, sin 15 upon cos 15, ऐसे एग्जाम में दिखाओ. Cos 15 upon cos 15, sin 15 upon cos 15 will give you this. Now instead of 1, I can write it as tan 45. And this will be 1 plus tan 45 into tan 15. Hence we get formula for tan A plus tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. So this is nothing but tan 45 minus 15. So that gives you tan 30. And tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Likewise, you can also start from RHS. If you want student, you can start from RHS. 1 by root 3 लिखना होगा, फिर this, it should click you then. But LHS is better, it will click you soon. This is tan 30. And then you write this as tan 45 minus 15. And then you expand. And then convert in sin and cos. So both the ways you can do it. But generally, this is preferred. And in 12th also, as and whenever you get cos sign with addition and subtraction, or vice versa, you should always give a start by taking this as 1. To make this 1, you will divide by whatever cos theta यहाँ पे है. And you will get this. Yes, you can apply. Component of dividend से आ रहा है क्या? If we add cos get, are you getting? But okay, हाँ, then you can. अच्छा, this plus this, तो 2 cos 15. पर यहाँ पे कट हो जाएगा ना, 2 2 और 10, फिर क्या मिल रहा है? What you will get, cos 15 minus sin 15 plus cos 15 plus sin 15. तो sin 15 ऊपर कट हो जाएगा, तो ऊपर तो 2 cos 15 मिलेगा, करेक्ट? और नीचे 2 sin 15 मिलेगा. Then what? Tan 15. RHS LHS अलग से सॉल्व करना है. But we get tan 15 an answer to prove. Yes. वरुण, मेरे को तेरा सॉल्यूशन नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. लाइक यू आर सेइंग कंपोनेंट ऑफ डिविडेंड से, तो tan 15 मिलेगा. देन अच्छा, हाँ, यहाँ पे भी करना है. रूट 3 माइनस 1 प्लस रूट 3 1 माइनस रूट 3. बट ये नहीं कंपोनेंट ऑफ डिविडेंड नहीं चलेगा. सॉरी वरुण, यहाँ पे नहीं चलेगा कंपोनेंट ऑफ डिविडेंड, क्योंकि LHS इक्वल टू RHS हमें प्रूव करना है यहाँ पे. डू इट इन दिस वे. I'll try to write with black then. Then who said, can you explain this sum again? Yes, Saket, I'll explain. Look here, cos 15, sin 15, this you want to prove as 1 by root 3. So whenever you get cos theta minus sin theta, or cos theta plus sin theta, या तो ये ऊपर है और ये नीचे है, plus or minus. Always your start will be, because this is important. 12th में तुम देखोगे, I'll be using this many times when calculus में रहेगा. Whenever you have cos, you will divide each term by cos 15, by whatever cos theta is here. तो cos theta से divide करने से तुम्हें 1 minus tan 1 plus tan मिलेगा. But 1 you can write it as tan 45 to get that formula tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. But what is this? It is a result, identity. It is tan A minus B. But 45 minus 50 will give you tan 30, and hence tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. So this is the way you have to solve it in exam. Now it is done and clear. Saket, is it clear? Or if you start with 1 by root 3, then you have to write it as tan 30. But ये जल्दी से click नहीं होता. This is the standard way. See, if you want, you can try some number 11. 11th is similar. Homework ले लो, इधर लिखो sum number 11. That is homework in the sense ये सेम है, डिट्टो. Your first step will be divide each term by cos 27 degree. So if you have textbook, look at sum number 11. Divide by cos 27 degree each term. You will get 1 plus tan 27, 1 minus tan 27. Whenever you get 1 like this, it will be always tan pi by 4. So in short, even I want you to remember ये result. Tan pi by 4 plus theta. You know tan pi by 4 plus theta is 1 plus tan theta, 1 minus tan theta. तो जब भी ये आता है हम पाई बाय 4 लिख सकते हो. तो और दिस इज व्हेन यू कन्वर्ट दिस इनटू साइन एंड कॉस, इट विल बी साइन sorry, it will be cos plus sine and cos minus sine. So यही मैं बता रही हूँ. So this result is very important. Sometimes this is given, you should know it is nothing but it will turn out to tan pi by 4 plus theta only. If this is given, then also you should know. So ये बहुत basic result है which you should know. Screen has become small. अब ठीक है क्या थोड़ा स्क्रीन? Check it out. Now, I am saying 10 pi by 4. छोटा दिखा रहा है. मैं तो लैपटॉप पे ही हूँ. Yes, that is good. Is it okay? Others? दिख रहा है ना? तुम्हारे यहाँ से भी नेटवर्क हाँ मैनेजेबल है तो प्लीज एडजस्ट. I'll try to write down. अच्छा, what I am saying is tan pi by 4 plus theta, that is 45 plus theta, वो 1 आता है. तो 1 देख के समझ जाना चाहिए कि ये tan का ये रिजल्ट है. या cos sin देखोगे तो उससे क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए ये बनेगा cos डिवाइड करके और ये तो one and the same. तो रिवर्स जाना पड़े then also you should be prepared. Now page 40 page. Now third sum. Sin A is given minus 5 by 13. Although this is easy, but let's do it because ऐसे sums भी आते हैं 3 या 4 marks के लिए. So I want you all to practice how to write. Cos B is given 3 by 5, where your B lies between this. That means they are telling which quadrant, so accordingly you have to write the sign. So find sine of A plus B, cos of A plus B, sorry, cos of A minus B, and third is tan of A plus B. So for this, you have sin A, you have cos A. You need to find sin B and you need to find cos B. अगर sin B cos B है तो तुम्हें सब ये सारे मिल जाएंगे. This is compound angle. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. तो sin A, which quadrant it is? Third quadrant. Third quadrant में sorry B कौन से quadrant में है? B is in fourth quadrant. तो B नेगेटिव रहेगा. Sin B कितना रहेगा? minus 5 by 13. ट्राइंगल मेथड से ही कर सकते हो तुम लोग. You can draw a triangle. A अगर ले रहे हो इसको, ठीक है, दिस इज A, B पे 90 और ये C, तो दिस इज 5 by 13, तो ऑपोजिट अपॉन हाइपोट, तो 12 आता है ना. 5 12 13 इज अ ट्रिपलेट. सो व्हाट विल बी, हमें A की बात हो रही है तो cos A की जरूरत पड़ेगी, B की नहीं. हाँ, now A is in which quadrant? Third quadrant. So cos will be negative. You will say A is in third quadrant. So cos A will be negative, minus 12 by 13. Same way, B is in fourth quadrant. So sin B will be, cos B है हमारे पास 3 by 5, तो ये 4 by 5 होगा, that too negative. Once you are done this, ये सारे steps दिखाने हैं. फिर अभी इतना मिनिमम दिखाना है. इधर ट्राइंगल ड्रॉ करो या ना करो, that doesn't matter. क्वाड्रेंट बताओ और ये करो. Now this is sin A plus B. What is sin A plus B? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Substitute all the values and tell me the answer. Similarly, you will find for cos and then for tan. Answers बोलो अभी तुम लोग. So this can be asked for a 3-mark sum. Sin A plus B क्या आ रहा है? इसका खाली फाइनल वैल्यू बोलोगे. What's the answer for sin A plus B? Substitute and tell me the answer. Yes, correct है. 33/65. अब cos A minus B find करो. Varun, this is right. 33/65. All the values are there. You have to just substitute. Now find cos A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is your formula. I'll write the identity if someone has forgot. Or tan का. Tan we did just now. Tan A tan B. For that you will have to divide sin A by cos A. या triangle से tan A भी निकाल लो पहले ही. Here you can find tan A also. Tan A क्या होगा? 5/12. And which quadrant it is? Third quadrant. तो वो positive हो जाएगा. और tan B negative होगा, fourth quadrant है. तो tan B होगा 4/3 negative. Now find cos A minus B. Yes, Amir Varun, तुम्हारा first answer correct है. Now second cos A minus B find out. Even these sums are important. Yes, minus 16/65 is correct. So this answer is minus 16/65. Cos A minus B, after substituting, you should get this. Yes, correct it is. Amir, correct. Third वाला करो. Tan A plus B. And tan of A plus B. Yes, Amir, correct. Minus 33/56. Tan of A plus B minus 33/56 you should get. I'll wait for a minute and then move to the next exercise. Those sums which we have skipped, that you are supposed to take it as homework. Like you can practice. I'll just erase the question. एक्सरसाइज 3.2 पेज 42 पे है। फर्स्ट वाले तो सारे अलाइड एंगल्स है जो हम पहले भी कर चुके हैं, बट टेक्स्ट बुक में प्रॉपर ऑर्डर में है। सो लेट्स डू 1 और 2 सम। बड़े वाले ले, फोर्थ वाला कर लो। यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ cos 600 डिग्री। एक नेगेटिव ले लो। One method is 90n वाला. All of you know this method. So I will just expect answers from you. ये एक्सरसाइज बहुत सिंपल है, कभी कभी सिली एरर करते हैं बच्चे। So find out. Solve these sums. Yes, absolutely correct. First answer is -half. अब cot है तो पहले cot of minus theta is minus cot 1110, and then you can solve it. So these are 1 mark sums or in MCQ. Generally 1 mark के लिए आएंगे. This can be asked for 2 marks. क्योंकि इसमें सबकी values find करके substitute करनी है. So the answer is already given. Sometimes this can be asked as MCQ. Find the value of this. Second वाला. So find the value of this मतलब सबकी value find करके substitute करके answer तुम्हारा 3/2 आएगा. तो options में ये सारे answers रहेंगे. 3/2, 1/2 and so on. So this can be also asked for 2 marks as an MCQ या तो subjective. हाँ, cot का क्या आया? Cot of -1110 degree. Cot answer you'll have to tell me. Yes, absolutely correct. And those who have doubt, please write in chat. Then I'll explain because this all we have done, and also you all have done in IIT. So you all find easy. So we will not waste time in it. इसमें LHS करके solve करोगे. You will start with LHS and put all the value. In exam, how you write the solution? तुम ऐसे लिखो sec 840 का ये value है, या तो ठीक है 2 marks है ना, डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ sec 840, cot of 945, sin का वैल्यू और tan का. उसके बाद उसको सॉल्व करके 3/2 आंसर आना चाहिए. तो दो स्टेप्स बताने होंगे, 2-3. इट्स देयर इन द टेक्स्ट बुक और एग्जाम में सारे क्वेश्चंस टेक्स्ट बुक से ही आते हैं. Nothing will be from outside. Either it will be a solved example or exercise sum or miscellaneous sum. But it will be asked from textbook only. So you need to find now sec 840. Cos 600 तो यहाँ पे फाइंड किया है -half. तो sin 600 इजी होगा. √3/2 होगा एंड 600 कौन से क्वार्टर में अकॉर्डिंगली ये माइनस आ जाएगा. Writing all the answers. Just check. See, in exam, if this substitution is wrong, you will not get the answer as 3/2. तो अगर एक आध वैल्यू यू हैव रिमूव्ड रॉन्ग बाय मिस्टेक, so this gives you 2 minus half, that gives you 3 by 2, hence proved. So write it down so that we can move on the next sum. ये simple sums है. Is it done? You write done so I can erase and move on to next sum. Okay. I'll wait. Only one has written done. 2, 3 students still write. Think that means. I'll wait for a minute. You'll complete it. Now those who have finished, we'll do only 2 sums from this now. Matlab, only 4th sum, 1 sum. 5th one, you have to prove sine cube pi plus x sec square pi minus x tan 2 pi minus x. Again, this is 1 mark sum. 1 mark में भी आ सकता है. Pi by 2 plus x sine or 2 marks pi minus x and cosec square minus x. This is equal to, you have to prove 10 cube x. Yeah. So obviously you will write in solution LHS and sine pi plus x क्या है, फिर whole cube दिखाओ and all that. You know that sine pi plus x is minus sine x. So either sine cube x. Cube means it is whole cube. We write it here. You don't need to rejoin student. अगर meeting end हो जाती है, no need to rejoin. Saturday we'll do the further thing. Okay. What I am saying is sine cube x. All of you know it is nothing but sine x the whole cube. So जब ऐसा होता है तो better you write this by solving. Sine pi plus x is minus sine x. Sec pi minus x is minus sec x. So you'll write minus sec x the whole square. Tan 2 pi minus x is minus tan x. So it lies in 4th quadrant. I hope all of you know, हमने ये किया है, all silver teacups. तो कैसी साइन आएगी 4th quadrant में? 2 pi minus x means 4th quadrant. 4th quadrant में tan is negative. Then this is cos. When it is a multiple of 90, pi by 2 plus x is sin x and that too negative. Cos negative होता है. Then sin pi minus x is sin x only, plus sin x. And cosec square of minus x is cosec minus cosec x minus x है, but ये square. So don't get confused by the notations. Once this is done, you know जो cut होगा. यहाँ पे 2 sin x कट हो जाएगा. पहले तो this becomes positive only. Sin cube x. This is sec square x If you want, you write it as 1 by cos square x. This is sin x upon cos x. नेगेटिव में 3 मार्क्स के ऊपर है, वरना तुम स्किप कर सकते हो स्टेप। इंटू -1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर एक्स। तो यू कैन मेक आउट tan क्यूब भी मिलेगा, हमारे पास RHS तो है ही, तो ये कट हो जाएगा, नेगेटिव साइन है, वी आर लेफ्ट विद साइन क्यूब एक्स, और यहाँ पे जस्ट चेक इट आउट। So this will give you tan cube x. This is cos square, sorry. This square I forgot. That's why I was thinking where I missed. This was cos square. Minus sin x the whole equal to RHS. So this is the way you are going to solve it as a sums. So this exercise is very easy. But I am showing you how to write steps. Obvious है, but at least ये step दिखाओ, ये step दिखाओ. 2 लाइन कैसे steps दिखना है, कैसे लिखना है. In board, you are learning here in college lectures how, although you know it and you find it easy, but you should know how to present it in exam. अभी एक exercise, next exercise का एक sum शायद हो जाएगा. We have time. हाँ, 6 minutes है. Let me just give a start, and then next class we'll do further this exercise. इसमें काफी अच्छे sums हैं. Exercise 3.3 is really good. So this is done. Okay, I hope this is done. Is this over, students? Right, done? So I can erase. Okay. Now, exercise 3.3, first sum, and then you don't have to rejoin, the meeting will end. Exercise 3.3. Let us just do first sum, find values of. These are nice sum, ये पूछते हैं exam में. Find the values of sin pi by 8. Here you are going to use result I said, which is very important result. Hint I will give you. Sin pi by 8 है. अब तुम्हें पता है क्या 2 sin square theta by 2. I have told you better to remember this way is 1 minus cos theta. So if you take theta as, और cos के लिए 2 cos square theta by 2 is 1 plus cos theta. So let theta be pi by 4. तो theta by 2 क्या होगा? Pi by 8. So using this, एग्जाम में ऐसे लिखोगे और ये करोगे. अब लिखोगे 2 sin square pi by 8 is equal to 1 minus cos pi by 4. Substitute your value, फिर accordingly pi by 8 कौन से quadrant में है? First quadrant में. तो accordingly you will select the answer. So square root निकालोगे तो plus or minus आएगा, but then you have to write pi by 8 lies in this quadrant. So you are taking only positive. Pi by 8 lies in, you will find the answer. I am not doing that. Is lies in first quadrant. Therefore, sin pi by 8. Root में answer रखो. No need to simplify much. Square root of root 2 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. You can leave your answer here. Rationalize करना है तो करो, but not needed. नीचे rationalize करना है तो कर ले. इधर root 2 से हम multiply करेंगे तो what we'll get? Sin pi by 8 is equal to root of 2 minus root 2 और 2 बाहर आ जाएगा upon 2. So this way you can rationalize in the denominator. Inside the root only, if you multiply root 2 numerator and denominator, you get this as 4 और वो 2 हो जाएगा. So similarly you will find cos pi by 8. Make a note. These are important sums. So यहाँ पे ये exercise is mostly based on double angle, triple angle formulas, which I have mentioned before. Find cos also. Cos का वैल्यू प्लस में आएगा. रूट ऑफ 2 प्लस रूट 2 अपॉन 2. Now meeting will end. I'll not start a new sum. तो आधा ही हो जाएगा. We'll stop here. Next class we'll do more sums. That is on Saturday. Okay, bye. Take care.